Etude number 2, part 2. When you're looking at part 2, you might say, I start off very easy. I have 3 measures of rest and 1 beat rest all at the beginning. I don't have to play anything. I can just relax. Well, this is the time you have to concentrate the most. This is when you have to count and know where the beats are, know exactly where 1, 2, 3, 4 are. Keep a steady count and come in strong when you play. It's one of the harder things to do in music. So what I would be doing when I'm counting this, I would be going for the first 3 measures. I'd be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? When you're counting and waiting to come in, you should be ready to play any time. You shouldn't have your hands down. You should be ready as if you're playing the notes. That's how you're resting. Here's part 2. I'll be counting the tempo out loud, and then I will count to myself the first 3 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make sure you stop and you rest on the 4th beat of the last measure. That's very important. It shouldn't be hanging over. There's a quarter rest there. So you could either release the notes with the left hand, release that pressure, or you could stop the ringing of the notes with your right hand. And what I do is I use the fatty portion over here of my hand, and I just touch it. Using the right hand is especially good when you have open strings. Or you could also stop it with your left hand. The main thing is when you stop the notes, you do not move out of position with either left hand or right hand. In the last measure of the first line, you have G, G, F. The fingering has it that you would be playing the F with your 4th finger, and then going to the 2nd finger on E in the next line. This creates a legato sound. If we went from 3 to 3, it would be from G with your 3rd finger to F with your 3rd finger. It would be not as legato. Listen to this. 1. That's with the 3rd finger. Here's with the 4th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And the reason why we're doing this is to get used to using different fingers in different situations so that we can make good choices and get used to playing things differently so we can make a musical choice when we're playing any piece of music.